Hey Legacy Builders, welcome back to Mind Your Money. In today's video, I'm going to do a transaction or expense tracking for February. So my February month started on the 28th of January and it will end on the 24th of February. So right now, today is the 12th, and so I have not updated anything yet. So I have my Capital One open. I don't know if you can see it on the screen. My software might not be recording that, but I am going to fill in my transactions here on February credit card expenses. So January 28th, there was no spending. So I'm going to let that be a no spend day. And that's the one day we've had so far. On the 29th, there was also no spending. So that's pretty good. No charges there. On the 30th, I made a payment. I had a payment post for 140.29, but I'm not recording that. I'm going to record just what was spent. And we had PSEG, that's our electricity company. That's coming from bills. I'm going to put NMB for next month's bills. And that was $57.65. And we did pay that back. So that was paid back already. And I'm just going to scoot over here. Okay, my charges are there. Okay, so that's great. And then on the 31st, that's a no spend. So I'm glad about that. And then on the 1st, we had a payment of $100. So that's also a no spend. And on the 2nd, we had Lyft. This is not going to be italic. Lyft charge that also would come from transportation because it was a travel expense. We spent $152.02 going to and from hospital. That has not been paid back yet. On the 3rd, that was a no spend. Let's make that bold also. On the 4th, that was a no spend. Okay. On the 5th, we went to Stop and Shop, and that was food, and we spent $33.20. Let me make this 0. All the no spends, we spent $0. So $33.20 to buy groceries on the 5th. And let me see what happened on the 6th. We had Geico. I think that Geico, if I can spell it right, Geico is a bill, and it came out for $82.64. That went up. We did pay that back. So let me choose yes here. And then on the 7th, I had a purchase on YouTube. And that's going to come from miscellaneous, and that was 99 cents. And that was paid back using cash rewards. And then on the 8th, there was a payment of $47.95. I'm not sure what that $47.95 was for. I don't see where I spent $47.95. Why did I pay $47.95? Let me check my budget workbook and see. Because I don't recall what I spent that money on. $47.95. It was $47.95. For what? Oh, November charges. Okay, so no, we can't write that in. Okay, then $93 on the 8th was paid. On the 8th, we had a charge from Uber, and that is coming from transportation. The charge was $30.57. We have not yet paid that back. And this food here, that was not paid back yet. Also on the 8th, there was a credit redemption for 99 cents, and that was it. So there were no other charges. So let me just delete that row. Okay. On the 9th, that was a no spend. The 10th, a no spend. The 11th, a no spend. So let's make these bold, italic, and the amounts were 0 because there are no spends. Yay! So we've had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 no spend days so far for our budget month. 9 no spend days. That's awesome. So equals Roman 9. Yay! 9 no spend days already. I put it in Roman numerals just because it's fun. So 9 no spend days so far, and that's awesome. And we have not made any payments. Well, I think we have made payments. So far we paid back for the car insurance, and we paid back for PSEG, which is a total of $140.29. Let me make sure. Yeah, 140.29 is what we've paid so far. So if you look up here in this little corner, $357.07 are the total charges we've made so far in February. We paid $140.29, so we still have $216.78 outstanding. So that's it for this expense tracking session. I just wanted to make sure I stay on top of everything that we're charging so that nothing is forgotten and slips through the cracks. So that is it, and that is all. I hope you guys are tracking your expenses. I hope you're minding your money. So and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe down below. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Remember to mind your money, manage it well, and live your lives abundantly.